Wow. Look at my view, guys. Karon pa may abot. Namalik mi kay. Wala pa ko natagbaw. Check, check, check. Good morning. Mana kami dito, guys, oh. Hi, babe. Mana kami di sa ibabaw. This is my kuan. Ganahan ko ba? Gapon kay diha mi, oh, nang nakaw mi dito na kami. Nya dito pud mi gapon, oh. Karon diri na pud mi. Wala pa man mi nakare. Oh no. What can you say? My paradise. Huh? Perfect. Beautiful. Wow. So beautiful. Grabe. Ang ganda. This is the highest mountain, love?
Yeah.
Oh no, the highest.
That's the second one.
Yeah, I mean by there.
Yeah.
Here, the highest hill.
Yeah, one of them, yeah.
Ah. Wow.
There you go.
O, diba? Sus. Simply the best.
Good, eh?
Very good. We go up. Let's go, baby Kobe. Amazing. Hilak na po ni Ron. Bucket list check. What the heck? Ganuog ko. Grabe kanindot eh. Sus, kanindot gid bay. Mo gini akong gusto bay. I'm like a pro na ni. Like a pro. Muari magstay bayat may diri hangtod 9 PM sa gabi. 9 PM. Gapon kay haman raman mi. How many hours we stay here yesterday? 5 hours, 6 hours. Huh?
5 hours.
5 hours only. Wow. Ah! Grabe ka rin doon, chud. Dito may gahapon, oh. Dito po may gahapon. Karon, ato na po may. Lul. Let's go, climb. Like a pro. Exercise. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. I love it. Can I shout here? Charot. Thank you, Lord. May sakyanan, no? Grabe ka, amazing. How beautiful your creation, Lord. Grabe ka, nice. Good exercise. Shout out, guys. I'm back. Gahapon, wala mi na nakadiri gahapon. Nyaingon ko nga mabalik ta. Halal. Kaya ako natagbaw. Dili, pwede isang adlaw diri. Oy, kay dako kayo. Look at the view, guys. Amazing. Ginoo ko ka, nice. Babe! I'm happy. I'm so happy. Look at that, huh?
Now you, aren't you?
I'm like a pro now.
Pro.
Oh my goodness, shit lang. Grabe. Dito may gikan, oh. Bye-bye guys, malubat ko. Lul.